Hi guys, good morning. So it's another beautiful morning here in the jungle. So I have my breakfast here in the table. I have some oatmeal. So I put some milk on it and some small sugar, and it's really healthy for me. So my husband is already eat his dinner, and right now he's taking his nap. So it be a very busy day to us because Virgil later they have their classroom Christmas party together with his classmates, and after his classroom party we're gonna go to San Carlos City to pick up his friend's costume. So it's already 7 in the morning here, and we be leaving around 9 a.m. this morning for Virgil's Christmas party. So they're gonna start around 9:30 in the morning. So I'm gonna bring some spaghetti for the kids. So my friend Bashun, she helped me to cook that spaghetti, and I just done cleaning here in the house. I woke around 5 a.m. this morning and start cooking our breakfast. And also after that, I've been cleaning here in the house. And our weather this morning it's been sunny. It's been raining hard last night here, and it's good that we have nice weather today because we've been having a lots of errands to do today. And look at the view, my view at the back. So I'm gonna show you our morning view here in our place. So this is our view this morning. As you can see, the beautiful mountains from the distance, and the skies is so clear. Look at the trees, and as you can see, the ground is still wet from the rain last night. So Virgil is already woke up. He's not been feeling good because of his cold. It's getting bad, and I already gave him some medication for his cold. And my friend Bashun, she's been cooking there at the back. We're gonna bring some foods later for the kids and Virgil's classmates also. So my father there's been cleaning the surroundings. He's been sweeping. And look at these plants here. It's getting taller, getting healthy. So I'm gonna have my breakfast before it gets cold. So oatmeal is very healthy for the body, and it's very nutritious, as you can see here. So my husband is eating his breakfast already, and he have that sunny side up egg, some toasted bread and butter and jam, and also he have some ham. And Virgil also got some rice and some ham. So we bought that special ham that my husband really likes it. It's a little bit expensive, but it's worth it because of it's very delicious. As you can see, the nice coconut tree there. And there's people there in the creek. And I'll see you guys later. So let's see what we're gonna do for the rest of this day. So stay tuned. So we are here at the room of Virgil right now, in the classroom of Virgil. So they're gonna do the awarding first. So lots of parents here, and the classmates of Virgil is already here. So they're gonna do the recognition, the awarding. They're gonna do the awarding in the first quarter, and let's see if Virgil will gonna one of the honors with honors in the first quarter. So we are many here, Virgil's classmates and the parents. Matiksan? Ako yung one. O sige. So we're gonna start the awarding now.
Average sa iyang first quarter is 95. So with high honors goes to Rian Mesha R. Tambiga.
Hey.
Character award as Dave.
That's the one with high honors.
And clean. Smile for Rian. Practice and smile. Paso na kauma. Okay. With honors. With honors goes to Laika May Teleron.
Congrats!
Nasakay na si Kuan.
Ako dahil picturean tamo dahil. So Virgil is with honors. Show them Virgil your ribbon. So Virgil is with honors, guys. He's the one with honors. And look at this. Most generous, clean pupil, and also is with honors in the first quarter. His classmates. With honors na.
Thoughtful. Basta sila ang thoughtful. Just to guide himself alone. Maria,
So it's time for the exchange gift now.
21.
They're enjoying. So Virgil got this gift here, and he gonna open what's inside in the gift. Be careful. So let me see. What is this? Oh my God! Virgil got this comb and for girl thing, girly thing. Si Virgil nakapunit og girl for girl. Pugong. Na may medyas bi awasak. Mo punig ngani no kay mo di. So it's eating time for them, and Virgil got some pizza and some spaghetti here. He's been disappointed of his gift because he got the girly stuff. He's been crying because he have that girly stuff and he don't like it. So I just the one who used it. And he's eating here. And they have a lot of foods here. Then spaghetti dito na luyo, di ba? To spaghetti. have a lots of foods here in the table.
Haji sa siguro taon.
Let's eat, guys. Istiyo sabihin ko kung pagkaon din. Let's eat.
Haji ka lang ta.
So Virgil's Christmas party and the awardee is already finished. So we're on the way to San Carlos City right now. So Virgil is been disappointed about his gift because he got that for girly thing ba? A comb, a clip. He cried her daddy because he got the girl sock and comb and also some clips. Her clip.
Give it to your mama.
Yeah, you can give it to me, Virgin. No need to be cry. but he's okay after that. They have a lots of foods there, and the parents brought some a lots of foods, and we've been. I'm so very full. And the kids and Virgil's classmates, they really enjoyed, even though they don't have games, because the teacher is been hurry because they have also some Christmas party to all the teachers. After the classroom party, they have some party of all the teachers there, so she's been hurry, but we are all enjoyed and we're all full because there's a lot of foods to choose there, because every parents brought some foods and we just share to each other. So right now we're on the way to San Carlos City. We're gonna buy Virgil some shoes for tomorrow's event for their coronation for Prince and Princess, and also we're gonna pick up the Prince costume, his Prince costume. Hopefully it will finish. And as you can see, the sky is so clear and it's so hot on here. Even though in Virgil's classroom it's very hot, but it's fine because especially tomorrow, that's the day that needs to be, the weather's supposed to be good, right? Because of the coronation, because they don't have some cover there in the ground, it's open. So it'd be nice tomorrow, it'd be like this, because they have the mass them. Every grade they have some dancing, they perform some dance. So I'll see you guys later, so stay tuned. Hi guys, good morning. So I just want to continue my video from yesterday because I've been so busy yesterday and I forgot to do more video. So right now we're on the way to the school of Virgil because they have some parade of their prince and princess, and he's there at the back. So wave lang ga. He's wearing that nice outfit.
You want a suit?
Yeah, he's wearing a suit, and he cannot join the drum. I mean the band, because he needs to sit there in the vehicle with his princess, with his partner. So maybe by next month he can join the band again because he knows how to what's that, baby?
Hit the drum?
Yeah, hit the drum. So We're on the way to the school right now, and hopefully the weather will be be good
Yeah.
for us, because it's been raining hard this morning, all morning, right? It's been raining.
Yeah. The weather says it's supposed to quit at 7 a.m.
Yeah, and right now it's so cloudy here, but the rain is already stopped, but still have that dark clouds. Hopefully that it be sunshine later. It's okay like this, but it's not so hot for them to ride.
Yeah.
But I hope it won't rain. So Virgil is so excited. They're gonna start their parade around 8 a.m.
Yeah. He's going to drive the girls crazy because he's a sharp dressed man.
Yeah, he's excited. And you're excited too, Bana?
Yeah. Yeah, he's getting to do what I didn't get to.
And we also picked up his friend's costume yesterday, and he really loves it.
It's okay, there's
Yeah, there's a small stain on it, but it won't noticeable. It not noticeable. So I'm gonna try some more videos when they start the parade. So stay tuned, guys. So we be leaving here soon.
Okay,
This is
instruction
where they
mga
gonna
band
ride.
members, paminaw. During the parade, ato na ganit ka sa kaisada. Dili
That's
pagkiat
Virgil's a partner.
Ngayon, gamito nato.
So they just start now the parade, and that's the band member, and Virgil is, and also his princess riding in the truck. Adoy, sa mga na ba? Banda-banda na init kayo. Magmulo siya ng mga sakyanan ro magmaulahi. Ay maguan ba?
Oy,
Magsunod.
natrapika na mo kahapon. Pag-abot na day. Oy, sayahan ka day. Pag-abot
Sipit
na mo.
niya na, wang lagod to siya ni ani, wapot ba usahay.
Na, inang kang taas.
Kaya di mo magpadaplin, di magpadaplin mo ba?
Day, naabot na miday. Ditawagan na di inang
So
Valder
guys should
Muso.
pull
Kay
up
number
over
2
here.
performer miday.
Maybe there's a vehicle coming the way.
Huh?
I'm afraid, but there's a vehicle coming on this way.
Well, they are
Di
now.
magpadapli na sila na may tanong. Day. Hindi ka siya pwede. Hindi ka na pwede maputol.
Ulahi man ang princess tino.
Nasunod man gina sila dahil.
Sa lahat. So they're not wearing their band uniform because some of the uniform is not been finished yet. So they just wear the pants and the white t-shirt. Ka-cute silang kuha ka na anak ba?
Props.
Mm.
Saan na grade 2? Grade 2.
Ay, nindot tayo nakaguro dyan kay makalo ora. Nagkalo ora sila. Tira mainitan ba?
Sabi ta kung payong day, gitunong ta kaning jubilin. Di maron.
Maglakaw ra siya.
Ako kat yagan ta kunin nila.
Ina lang ito ko ba?
Nya.
Ipuwi ko na to siya na ako magkamakikuan siya, may snack siya.
Traffic na. Dakong traffic ani ron te.
Nang na-trap ni gapon sa Sigulan day kay daghan dili pa riya dili ang bata, daghan ta kay dito. Dugay kay ni tawagan ang pali di na dapita.
Ito mag-uwit Rose Virgin ig
Si
ana
Chloe
ba?
gipakuan ako si Chloe pa butang na ko tubig sa bulsa.
You need to go out here now.
I can't go nowhere.
Bilin din talo ni Chloe sa balay day. Mao na ilang isayaw na.
Traffic. Then pull up now. I still have a lot of students. They still have students. You need to at the back of Virgil ba, and the candidates. They are the one who will do the last. Si Pia, wa siya ni apil ra.
Ano man?
Wala dyan siya ni-apil?
Mo apil siya sayaw rong hapon pero karon parit ba kay kuan gas 12 naman sila ning muli gabi. Ay matabunan naman si Virgil kay na may mga balon sa babaw. Dagayo init ba?
Kasi hindi kalo po ito ilang kalo tayo.
Ni
Virgin.
wala man. Wa man siya nagdagkalo. May akong anak ay makatawa ra pud siya ba yung smile.
Ano may buntay ko? Kaira to na ba?
Yan. That's the ride, that yellow jeep.
What yellow Jeep?
There, it's coming. Almost to end of the day. Anas Virgil, kalain sa mong sakyanan. Yung sabat din natin kanilot, anak. Nana po tong kuan.
Pindot to na, vintage.
O gani. Nana po tong kuan ba? Sa dilan ni mapalungan ro.
Ano man?
Sinaguro ko. So they are out now there
The
in the
bus
school.
gonna pull up here and block
Oh my
him.
God, Virgil.
And them flying.
Kakamilo na, ilang gihulam. Konsihal
Virgil
Camilo.
is there. Look.
Konsihal Camilo di ay.
Tingoni. Yang ano din natin?
Konsihal Camilo na sa kina.
Okay naman daw yun ah.
I'm not gonna be able to get behind Virgil.
Ulan.
It's okay because we need to follow them. You can't go behind them because there's another candidates at the back.
Here.
Hindi na puputol. Hindi na magpasabak. Hindi na magsulod sila kanan.
Gani. Bati po kayo maulahing uban dahil.
Bongga sa mga balon.
Si Madam Kuan.
Laro ni Karaban.
Ito ang ni Kuan o ni Brandon eh.
Yan ang kaplot.
Cute kayang Kuan Paris ba? Gamay kayo. So we're gonna go have parade. Gonna follow them. Murag si Mayor te karon hapon.
Okay, invite nila.
Oh. Ni ana daw nga kagwapo ba sa yung prince oy kay paghatag ni Madam sa program daw ba? Madam Mercy. Kay mo adto kay gwapo kay yung prince.
Ina pa rin good may feel ang siya mo Dubai.
Oh, nabalo si Julie.
Si Dudu.
Nabalo si
Ulas na
Julie.
guys si ato. Wala. Kaon.
Padala magbuhat ko sa Julie.
Bikin.
It's traffic. Traffic. Ba?
Makaparkat ko ang nilin. Okay naman po na.
And they're going back to the school.
Si Ma'am, kuha naman ato mo.
And
Si Ma'am Debbie
the
naman ato
prince and princess, they gonna go to Makapso, then go back to the other side. They're gonna follow them.
Sa una tabo. Ato. Sa una na.
Bulo-bulo daw ron.
Tabon to sa una.
That's Virgil's classmates there that wearing the hat there living. There ba? Virgil's classmates. Schoolmates.
Madunga sa tabon.
Ay,
Magulong
yeah.
ka ato sa una. O di na kami.
Naghanan ako ituno na niya. So that's Virgil there and his Francis, his partner. It's really cute looking at them.
Next time you need a tie for an event, I want to look on those.
Idunghay ra imong buhok ato sa imong dress.
If I get one with that,
Oh.
real clip.
They decorate the balloon so nicely. Teachers. Ang flowers ba nangatangtang sa baba ng flowers?
Hapon ang princess sa kuan anak ang prince anak man ni makasaol day ba?
Ang prince.
Ninduta ginoon sa Project Bulak ng palibot ako na balmal.
Ay,
Pare po to hapon, float yan. Project gibukad oy, gibukad ang
Yes,
sa Montica, gibukad ang kanang iya bitong kilid-kilid pabukad eh. Kanaan jud ko ang bulak ba. Project puti, wa jay na ini kanang green o puti man di ba? Green sa dako. Asa di. Diyan dire gi. Tabisan di ko ni bulak.
itong artificial.
Dili bulak jud ka fresh dai. Ay noon, magamit pa tula sa stage.
Oh, basin gigamit to na mo to sa stage di. Ilarang gigamit ba?
Di man po kay murag gikuan man jud siya gi-attach jud siya sa baksa kuan.
Ibait na din ako na siya kuan, mini fan ba?
Ha?
Electric fan.
Kinugan mo lubat na.
Nita na.
Payong kami na sila.
Di siya ganahan ti, di siya ganahan. Maglisod po siya ti. Sa...
Ano pa yung anang, ano na, may balon sa babaw. Kalo lang ta to. Ito kalo niyang buli.
Sa bawan naman nagmayo ay.
Si Virgin.
School year 2023 and 2024. To our dynamic barangay officials headed by Barangay Captain Vicente A. Pescante, our very hard-working OIC, Ma'am Merceda Libradilla, responsible federated presidents headed by Kagawad Vibito C. Amper, active GPTA officials headed by Mrs. Jesserim D. Gio, benevolent and industrious fellow teachers, supportive and generous parents, pupils, and visitors. A pleasant afternoon to each one of us. Once again, we gathered here to witness the coronation ceremonies of the 2023 Princess and Princesses of Don Vicente Lopez Senior Memorial Elementary School. We have seen them earlier during the parade, but I am sure that your enthusiasm and excitement are still soaring high because our princess and princesses will be more stunning and outstanding today. To formally start this momentous event, may I request everyone. Our prince loves to play basketball with his friends and watch his favorite movies. His ambition is to become a successful U.S. Navy someday. Our Prince Francis Virgil T. Smith believes in the saying, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Together with our Royal Highness Prince Virgil is our Royal Highness Princess Chandler Pearl Bioli L. Morales, the lovely daughter of Mr. Romeo R. Morales Jr. and Mrs. Julieta L. Morales. A grade 1 pupil under the advisorship of Mrs. Rizal D. Hiponye. She is a 7-year-old, lived from Barangay Bagaruines, Valle Hermoso, Negros Oriental. Her ambition is to become a success.
So the coronation of Prince and Princess is already done. So we are here right now at La Playa Beach Resort. We're gonna eat some dinner here because we're hungry. And as you can see, there's some wave there, high tide. And look at Virgil there with his prince costume. He's really enjoying today. He keep telling me that, Mommy, thank you so much. I'm so very happy and I really enjoyed today. It's so nice feeling ba when you hear your son says like that. And we are here at La Playa and it's very nice breeze here. So we're waiting for our foods. So I can't do a lot of video there in the coronation of Prince and Princess because of the music is so loud. So I just do some small videos there. And all the kids and all the candidates are very happy and they are really enjoyed also. And also the dancing of every grades. It's very enjoyable, very entertaining. So there's a little bit of people here in the seaside. And there's Virgil and Pia there playing. So we're waiting for our foods to serve. It's really quite nice here this afternoon. And there's some people there swimming, as you can see. It's a bunch of people there. So it's really a busy day to us because this morning we have that parade, and after that their coronation around 2 p.m. They start the coronation around 2 p.m. and all students, they have a wonderful time together with their classmates and friends and their teachers. And there's Virgil there. Virgil! Say hi everyone! Say hi! There's my friends Virgil. Virgil, wave! Wave at them! Hi! Say hi! He's hugging on me. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes or no? Yes, very happy? Wow, very happy. He said very happy. He said, So we're gonna check the foods now. I think they served the foods already. Virgil, let's go up there. So there's a lot of customers here in the restaurant this afternoon. So it's already 5:30 in the afternoon. Show them your crown. Oh, that's your crown there. Napiko lagi na lang gayo ko ana. Don't damage it. Did you squeeze it? Okay. Just put in the table there, Daddy, beside Daddy.
It's pain.
Oh, I'm gonna get it, okay? Because there's a pin here. There's a
Get it.
There's a hairpin. Can give it there, put in the table. That's his crown there. You need to keep it so that you have remembrance, okay? He's very happy. And I really do appreciate all of you guys for the support of Virgil. I know who you are and we really do appreciate, and we're very thankful of all our friends, family, relatives for all the supports, especially to the teachers that they're the one who do the effort of decorating in their float, in their parade. They're the one who decorate the vehicle, and they really help us a lot, the teachers. And it's so nice that it ends up a wonderful day to each one of us. And we're really happy that Virgil have a wonderful time today. And Here's my family here. They attend also in the coronation today. Virgil's coronation. And they have some free foods that they give to us. They're in the school. It's nice of them that they give to us. Asa na kung ibutang? Di, ibutang sa itaklay sa ni palihog be. Kaya mukhaon sa mami. Ipalihog ko ni mabe. And this is the foods that they give to us. This one is roasted pork and also some rice and lumpia. So it's nice of them that they give us some foods. So we're waiting our foods right now. As you can see, there's mountains there from the distance. It's very nice. Hi guys, so I just want to continue my video from yesterday. So it's another wonderful morning here in the jungle, and it's Friday morning here. And look at the mountains from the distance. So I really do appreciate all of you guys for watching my videos and for subscribing my YouTube channel, and for all the support for my son Virgil. It was a wonderful day yesterday together with my family, friends, and Virgil's classmates, and also all the candidates and all the Bagawinis students, the Don Vicente Lopez Senior Memorial School. All the students, they have a wonderful time, and everyone is enjoying, especially their Christmas demonstration, mass demonstration, and they have really a wonderful time. So I just want to end up my video. So I really do appreciate all of you guys for watching my videos. I'm gonna upload more videos soon, and thank you so much again for my new subscribers out there. Thank you so much for subscribing my YouTube channel, and I really do appreciate all of you guys. So thank you so much again, and we will see you on my next video. So thank you again, and God bless us all.